My lord, she is working in an IT company.
Domestic violence.
Domestic violence after 1 year, my lord. Past after good.
It is not in challenge. That is not before this court.
My lord, just to show the contention,
Matrimonial matter, madam.
the petitioner and respondent got married in the year 2020, my lords. 22, my lords. Thereafter, they lived for hardly for 2-3 months. My lords, this petition is against the interim order for maintenance pendant light, my lords. The petitioner herein has filed an application for Section 9, restitution of his conjugal right, my lords. My lords, the facts of the case in brief is that, my lords, the petitioner and respondent got married in the year 2020, my lords. 22, my lords. Thereafter, they lived for hardly for 2-3 months, and they went to with their parents, and they went to Germany. Petitioner is working in Germany, my lords. They were living happily there. Thereafter, my lords, the petitioner's respondent started raising unnecessary contentions against the petitioner and quarrels against the petitioner. Then they came back to India for some medical purposes, as the petitioner's father health was not appropriate, and also for the vacation. Thereafter, my lords, on 18/5/2024, the petitioner absolutely deserted the respondent without any rhyme and reason, my lords. Her whole contention was that
Not on the question of desertion, because you are
My
in
lord.
Germany, she is in India. She
My
can
lord.
say that you deserted her,
my lord,
because you have left the country. So why to go on to the merits of the controversies?
my lord, my lords,
It's only Section 24 application.
my lords.
We'll keep it confined to that one.
We'll do that, my lords. My lords, the contention is that the respondent is earning 85,000 per month. It's taken on oath by them itself, and we are contending that she is earning 1,50,000, which we have contended in Section 9 application, my lords. Now the learned court below have given the per month of 25 per month interim maintenance, and 30,000 against the traveling expenses, my lords. My lords, I'm relying over
Where the court cases going on?
My lords, family court.
Chhindwara or Jabalpur?
No, Jabalpur, my lords. Jabalpur itself, my lords. And my lords, the applicant is working in Germany, my lords, but he has several expenses against himself, my lords, which I have attached, my lords. If my lords may kindly have P6, page 50, my lords. His house rent, his gas bills, and electricity bill expenses. Also, my lords, all the traveling expenses of the respondent is borne by the petitioner. He has never let the petitioner pay anything. Apart from that, my lords, the petitioner's father's medical expenses is also bear by the petitioner, my lords. That is in, my lords.
Say it's exorbitant.
Exorbitant, my lords. Severely exorbitant, my lords. She is earning 85,000.
The husband earning 3,92,580 rupees per month, my lord. And my lord, I have also, I'll file the reply. The parents of the husband, my lord, both are the government employee. The mother is working in the MPEB. The father is the pensioner. There was no any liability except to own, my lord, in the husband, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, they have annexed the medical bills. They have admitted, the father of the husband admitted in the Shalby hospital only 4 days, my lord, in the year of 2024. After that, my lord, there was no any medical bills, no any treatment, my lord. And they have also annexed some photographs at P8, my lord, without supporting the affidavit. The certificate has of 65B has also been filed by the petitioner, my lord, without affidavit, my lord.
Now, how you are saying he is earning 3.90 lakh per month?
They have also accepted in. Kindly see, my lord.
Well, it's an accepted fact, admitted fact, but
it is also on record, my lord.
But our contention is that, my lords, he is earning in euro there, and he has, with regard to that, he has several expenses also over there, my lords, which the bills of the same which we have annexed, my lords. Also,
This is the 3,92,580 rupees per month, my lord. 72 lakh rupees per annum, my lord.
My lords, my humble contention with regard to this is also that my lords, we have also made an application for taking additional documents on record. My lords, we have
Just let him complete, madam.
Hello.
I'm so anxious.
My lord. And my lord, my loan amounts has also been, my lord, kindly, मैं इस reply का ये दे देता हूँ. इसमें
बताइए, रिप्लाई बता दीजिए आप, क्या रिप्लाई दिया?
इसमें
आपने परमिशन ले ली है क्या? हैव यू टेकन द परमिशन? परमिशन ली है क्या आपने?
No, my lords.
यू आर नॉट इवन टेकन द परमिशन टुडे.
मतलब अब टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट हमारे.
तो आज फाइल कर रहे हैं, परमिशन दे दीजिए इनको.
यस. 16 लाख समथिंग का हमारा लोन अमाउंट भी चल रहा है, जिसमें 21,000 रुपए की हमारी वो जा रही है, मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट जा रही है हमारे. ठीक है. एंड आई हैव आल्सो अपलोडेड.
कहाँ लिखा आपने, किस पैरा में है?
7 point.
My lords, no such contention has been raised by them in the petition below, my lords, in the reply below.
7.5 million.
ठीक.
And they have also, the petitioner has relied as resident, my lord, which is annexed as at P5, my lord. This is regarding for the permanent alimony, my lord, not for the maintenance, even not for the interim maintenance, my lord. And I have also uploaded a judgment, my lord, in reference section, my lord, at para 10, my lord, of the judgment. This court has made a above observation as the court felt that the family court in this said case has conducted the proceedings without being alive to the objection and reason.
Where,
and the spirit of
where you are working? आप कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं?
मतलब प्राइवेट कंपनी हमारी भी है.
कहाँ पर?
छिंदवाड़ा में.
छिंदवाड़ा में? छिंदवाड़ा में प्राइवेट कंपनी 85,000 सैलरी दे रही है? कोल माइन में है क्या?
My lord, she is working in an IT company.
पुलिस में नागपुर में.
नागपुर.
Yes.
My lords, may I humbly submit? My lords, we have also made an application for additional documents. We have placed on record the.
Help us out.
My lords,
What you have placed on record, madam?
my lords, that's a document wherein she has filed
Violence.
domestic violence after 1 year, my lords. After good.
It is not in challenge. That is not before this court.
And it's just to show the contention that just to show their intentions, my lord.
It's a matrimonial matter, madam. In every case, these things happen.
My-
It is not new.
I absolutely go down to that, my lords. My lords, but there it is very
Okay, I'll
exorbitant, my lords. If my lords may kindly consider the same. My lords, stay may kindly be granted.
I'll consider. Next.
Number 2.
I'm obliged, my lord.
So I have a preliminary objection.